morning student. Today we will continue chapter number 11 and today we will discuss about the suppression of the revolt. Earlier we have discussed about the different causes of revolt of 1857, as you know, and why different peoples from India, like different rulers, peasants, artisans, people from different castes were participated in revolt of 1857, but finally the revolt was suppressed by the Britishers. So how was the revolt of 1857 suppressed, or what steps did the British take to suppress the revolt? So we talked about the suppression of the revolt. First of all, British military officers freed Delhi, the epicenter of the revolt, from the rebels. Delhi was the epicenter of the revolt of 1857. Epicenter means main center or core, or we can say headquarter of the revolt. From all the directions were given to the rebels. So first of all, the Delhi was captured by the Britishers. Now the Kashmiri Gate. The Kashmiri Gate was blown up. Kashmiri Gate was a gate located in Delhi. It was the northern gate to the historic walled city of Delhi. The gate was facing towards Kashmir, so it was named Kashmiri Gate under British Raj. So British had used the gate to prevent the mutineers from entering the city. After some time, the gate was destroyed using gunpowder. So gate was blown up by using gunpowder by the Britishers. And of course, you know, hundreds of people were massacred by the Britishers. Now, Bahadur Shah Zafar II was tried for treason and exiled to Rangoon, sent to Rangoon. As you know, that Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar II was proclaimed as a Shahanshah Hindustan. When the Delhi was controlled, Bahadur Shah Zafar also controlled or captured by Britishers. Then he was tried and sent to Rangoon, and he was died in Rangoon in 1862. His sons were also killed as they were held guilty of the murder of the Englishmen, women and children. So after the exile of Bahadur Shah Zafar to Rangoon, the direction were not given to the rebels. Now, Lucknow was recaptured in 1858. Begum Hasrat Mahal, the wife of Nawab Wajid Ali Shah of Awadh, she ruled on behalf of her 11 years old son and led the revolt of 1857 in Lucknow. During this revolt, the hundreds of people were killed in Lucknow. All the buildings, important buildings, main buildings were looted or destroyed. Ultimately, Lucknow was recaptured in 1858 by Britishers. Rani Lakshmi Bai, very famous name, as you know. Rani Lakshmi Bai was killed in battle, and Tata Tope was captured and hanged to death. Rani Lakshmi Bai was one of the leading figures of the Indian Rebellion of 1857. During a siege of the fort of Jhansi, Rani Lakshmi Bai offered stiff resistance to the invading forces, but she was later killed in Gwalior, and same Tata Tope was also captured and hanged. So these was the different steps taken by the Britishers, the suppression of the revolt of 1857. Thank you.